Hello everyone, this is my review of Firmoo prescription glasses haul. I'm going to do a little unboxing here for you. They came in a nice neat packaging that's protected with bubble wrap. Inside the box you have some company information, gift cards, and a cleaning pouch that you can put your glasses into to protect them when you're not wearing them, to keep them from getting scratched up. I got myself new reading glasses from Fermu because I definitely need a new pair. The style I got is the TR-60-203. These are clear, but you have multiple colors that you can choose from. They're very cheap and affordable and stylish. They have many different styles you can choose from. They're easy to order, and you can just send them your prescription, but you also may have to use an app to get your PD information if you need to. I like them. They're pretty comfortable. They go on smoothly onto my face. They don't have any annoying wearing on my face to feel fatigue in any areas. I use them mainly for reading, and also when I need to get on the computer. These are very good for me to look at the computer screen. I highly recommend getting new reading glasses from Fermu, and I hope this review helps. Also, these glasses that I just got was about $24, but if you look in my description below, there's a promo code and a link to get you about 50% off